Okay, here we have the Hannan 511S blister sealer, 2-station push-pull shuttle. Can be loaded and unloaded from either the left side or the right side. This has an 18 by 24 sealing area, so however many blister packs you can fit within those parameters will be sealed per cycle. Pretty simple controls here. We've got a temperature controller, we've got a seal timer, cycle counter over here. We've got an auto switch, a platen up and down switch for manually moving the platen up and down, heater on off, power on off, pressure regulator. Pretty basic stuff for a blister sealer. What this amounts to here is the upper platen. It's kind of hard to see up in here. The upper seal platen is heated. This lower platen raises up and down. So when we have our tooling located within the tray, it rests on these rails. Kind of hard to see in the light here, but your tooling would rest on these rails and be supported by these rails on either left and right side. And if you look, the plate that goes up and down sits just inside of those rails. So when we push this in, hits a switch, our plate is up against the heater now, or our tooling would be. Now it's back down. Pull it out, remove your finished product. Second operator, same thing, same tooling setup over here. Push it in, plate goes up, plate goes down, we're back in business. Okay, so back here we've got our air connection with our water separator and oiler. I'll need to put just a little bit of oil in there. It looks like it's dry. Our serial number plate, model 511, serial number 6569, 220 volts, single phase, 20.6 amps. Call it 21 amps. Pretty simple machine to operate. Push and pull, that's pretty much it. Set your temperature, which would be around in that 325 degree range. 325 degree range, 350 maybe. I'd set at 350 right now. We have an indicator light here when it calls for heat. Like as I turn this up, the light comes on. As I turn it down, when the thermostat is satisfied, the light goes off. It tells you it's ready. So right now we're bouncing right about 350 degrees, and that's going to flash on and off as the temperature climbs and falls a little bit above and a little bit below 350. Sealing cycle here, it's about 2 seconds. Then here's our pressure regulator. It's currently set just a hair under 50 pounds. You may need to tweak that up and down just a little bit. The rest of it's very simple. Come in the morning, basically turn the power on, wait until this light goes off, and you're ready to go. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, give us a call.